Good afternoon, sir. How are you, sir? Uh, Thank you very much for giving me the time. There were two purposes of coming to you. A, that I was very keen in meeting you, and it is a really pleasure meeting you. And secondly, I've done a little bit of homework on the new product which Honda has launched, and that is creating ripple in the market, and to seek certain information. So, and at the same time, since I was meeting you, I found it as an opportunity, and therefore I thought that let me share about Jagran as well a little bit and how it is faring nationally. सर देखिए सर हाँ 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 तो क्लाइंट को भी सर भी बोल रहा हूँ सर देखिए सर यस सर वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छी चलेगी सर मुझे लगता है कि आई हैव डन अ बिट ऑफ वर्क ऑन दैट आई हैव डन अ बिट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड आई हैव गॉन थ्रू सर्टेन साइट्स and the comments which are coming are absolutely phenomenal, and it is going to give good fight to Ertiga, Innova and Scorpio. Sir, definitely Jagran is there for you always. Sir, this is about Jagran. We have got now 38 edition, 200 sub editions, 250 districts, and we circulate in 11 states. And in the last 25 consecutive rounds of Indian Readership Survey, we are number one. We are rated as the most credible newspaper by BBC Writer, and accorded both the consumer and business super brand status. And Jagran today is not only a print oriented company, it is a complete 360-degree media solution company. So we have print, we have out of the home, we are into digital environment, and we are also in activation. So we have 69 million readers, we have got 11 titles, 5 languages, 115 editions and 15 states. And from the number 2, we are almost 20 million readers ahead. Now, sir, this is the product which is creating ripple in the market, and I have done a little bit of homework on that, and correct me wherever I am going wrong. I was going through NDTV's site where it talked about the competition of your product, and it says that it is going to take head on Ertiga, but it does not have competition with Innova. But the sporty look of Ertiga gives a lot of competition. Sporty look of Honda gives a lot of competition to Innova. Then this is Mobilio price, economictimes.com. Probably it is priced, correct me sir if I am going all right, 6.49 to 8.76 lakhs. Is this correct? Achha. So Mobilio in nutshell is a product that competes with Ertiga, Innova and Scorpio. Price is competitive. The brand is well established. A complete family car. Woo the young audience because of its sporty look. Now let us talk about Bihar. I had picked up this statement. I think it is not. This is the point which I wanted to highlight, that auto sales has registered tremendous growth, in double-digit growth, only because of the law and order situation, the road connectivity and all. So there is a good growth in this market as far as automobile is concerned. And this is about our positioning, I mean Dainik Jagran's positioning in Bihar market. In the age group 30 and 39, because I have taken it, the younger audience are also your audience. we are 76% of Hindustan. In urban Bihar, we deliver almost 78% of HH. In graduate plus, we deliver almost 83%. Here, this is to be noted that DJ delivers 92% of Hindustan in MHI 30K plus in Bihar, which is going to be your target audience. DJ delivers 83% of HH in males, ACC, AB 25 plus in Bihar, 86% in females. I'll just quickly take you through these highlights. And DJ is number 2 in Bihar in the last 2 years since 2011. This is notable that in Q1 DJ has gained 3.45 lakh readers, whereas the Hindustan has gained only 85,000 readers. Few interesting insight of our readers. 14.7 lakh DJ readers own a TV. 1.4 lakh DJ readers own an automobile. 57,000 Dainik Jagran readers owns LCD, plasma, HD TV, projection TV. And I feel that these are going to be your potential customers. There are 9.14 lakh readers fall in the age group of 30 to 49. I have taken youngsters and then that group also, and there are 1.26 lakhs readers who are more than 20 to 30,000 a month. Sorry. This is what I was suggesting. Print advertisement in Dainik Jagran, print advertisement in Inqilab to reach hardcore Urdu readers as per the attributes in previous slides. Inclusion of INEX to pamper younger readers. Outdoor advertising in Bihar by OH company Engage. And these are the few suggestions. We feel that a free servicing camp for Innova, Ertiga and Scorpio owners by Honda can be a good proposition there. Collect the database and do remarketing to these people. Third, participation in Kavi Sammelan and Dandiya, which are the well-established properties of Jagran. What happens that in festive season, the automobile sales go up like anything, and the previous data we have seen there. We can also do BTL, ATL and TTL activities as per your suggestion, wherever you want to do in any district, in any of the city. We are expert into that, and our Marcom activity department will be delighted to take up that activity. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.